Last class we were discussing what is we had seen the basics of functions, so we were seeing a few examples. A function that accepted two parameters and printed the sum, so वो देखा था. Then few other examples like factorial, factors, average of 5 numbers passed to a function. ठीक है. Then we also saw that it's not always necessary to have a parameter inside the function definition. A function can be declared or defined without a parameter also, just like let's say the function purpose of the function is to send a greeting message. So in such cases you can have the function will not need any external value from outside to process. So in that case you can have empty parenthesis without, that means no parameters, right? Then we saw what happens if you try to access a variable defined in a function, okay, from outside of the function. And we know that the inside of the function, that is the function header and its block, together they form what is known as the local scope of the function. Even the function header and the parameters, if present, they are present in the local scope of the function. And whatever lies outside the function definition is known as the global scope of the program. Okay, यहाँ तक देखा था. And we had seen that any value defined inside the function, any variable defined inside the function cannot be accessed from outside of the function, that is the global scope of the function. यहाँ तक हमने देखा था. Okay, so and I said कि we'll see the reason why. Okay. चलो reason यहीं से शुरू कर देते हैं. What I'll do is next start करते हैं fresh. Okay. So till when you have practicals in the school? Have you got any schedule this entire month? Okay. जरा डेट देख के बता देना, so that I can fix that your exams accordingly, so that you don't have any practicals that day. Right. Okay. ठीक है. Anyways, even if there is some practical, you will not have that day. 30th को तो most probably नहीं होगा कुछ, केवल exam होगा. Right. So we were seeing why variable defined in the local scope of the function that is local variables cannot be used CS का तो हर दिन प्रैक्टिकल ही कर रहे हैं ना, ये क्या है? प्रैक्टिकल ही है. If required we execute it here itself. Cannot be used from cannot be used or accessed. Better term will be accessed. From the global scope of the function. Not of the function, global scope of the program. Of the program or script. ठीक है. और सिर्फ ग्लोबल स्कोप तक लिख सकते हो, इसको इग्नोर कर सकते हो, चलो हटा ही देते हैं। राइट, तो इसका रीजन होगा, व्हाट विल बी द रीजन? A function is only existing or existing in its execution. Execution. That means execution का time कब होगा? When we will say that the function is in existence, or when is it executing? From the moment it is called or invoked till the last statement of the function body or block is executed. It has no existence before and after that. Before and after that. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? Example, let's say I write def, let me give the name ABC to the piece of code, and the piece of code associated with it or in the body of this ABC function is and then I write, okay, and then let's say you write print x. Suppose this is line number 1 of the script of your Python file, line number 2, line number 3, line number 4, and line number 5. Okay. Tell me if a function, so what I mean by that is, we have already discussed that when Python starts executing, it does not do anything when it sees a function definition. The function definition part is not processed by Python, and you will not see any execution. Okay, so I'll write once again. Function definition part, we had discussed this yesterday also. Function definition part is क्या हुआ सौरभ? Probably is not operated or executed executed or operated by Python. Okay, we know that function only comes into existence and starts executing its own local scope when it is called. Okay, so tell me if I write something, or मान लो कि if I write here, I insert, अच्छा इसको हटा ही देता हूँ. Let's say if I change this program to this way. Print x, then ABC, and then print x. Now, what will happen? Any guesses? Batao. क्या होना चाहिए? I'll explain why that will happen, but error at which line? किस लाइन पे एरर होगा? लाइन नंबर 4, करेक्ट. तो सबसे पहले लाइन नंबर 4 पे एरर आएगा. Why line number 4 will throw error? See, because line number 1, 2, 3 is function definition and its body. So that will simply be, Python will simply look into it and okay, syntax is all right, so I won't process. I'll come back to it later when function is actually called. Okay, by matching the signature or taking the name. So when it comes to line number 4, you are telling print x. But remember, anything outside the function definition is the global scope of the program, and anything inside the function, including the function parameters, they fall in the local scope. ठीक है? तो ये बताओ, जब हम लोग लाइन नंबर 4 पे हैं, when we are at line number 4, ये 2 questions I'll ask. Is the function stack, function को function stack बोलते हैं मान लेते हैं, या मान लो सिर्फ is the function ABC existing when the program control is at line number 4? Program control is at first part, line number 4, and when the program control is at line number 6. बताओ, जब प्रोग्राम कंट्रोल लाइन नंबर 4 पे पहुंचा है, is the function stack or function existing? I will agree that function has been defined, but has it been activated or is it executing? No. So when we are at line number 4, the function is not existing, though it has a definition, but it's not executing and is not existing, because we know that function will come, or function will be in existence only when it is called. It will come into existence only when it is called. Line number 5 पे जब आएगा तब function will start executing and will get assigned in the memory, and these lines of code will start executing, and function will again cease to exist. That means a function will again get destroyed as soon as last line of the function block is executed. And so during that interval, the program control will hold at line number 5. ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं कि फंक्शन को कॉल किया फिर लाइन नंबर 6 पे चला गया. It will not happen like कि function is called at line number 5, then program control will go at line number 6 and this is executing independently. It will not happen. So what will happen is, okay, program control stays at line number 6, line number 5, till the function is till the last line of the function gets executed, or last till the last statement of function gets executed. Gets executed. Okay. So फिर again, by the time the function reaches the line number 6, okay, do you think the function will exist again? Of course, in this case, you will say कि sir function or program control won't even reach line number 5 because error will be thrown at line number 4 only. Because when you try to print x in the global scope, that means in the scope where the function where you are trying to access x, there is no x existing. Okay, there is no x existing. Why there is no x existing? Because x is only defined inside the local scope of the function, और function खुद ही exist नहीं कर रहा है, तो x कहां से exist करेगा? The function is its ABC is itself not existing when you are at line number 4, so there is no chance of anything existing inside it. It's just like that कि you can if there is no house, there will be no people inside it. घर होगा तभी ना अंदर में लोग आएंगे. ठीक है. So global scope you can take as earth and local scope you will take as houses on the earth. ठीक है. मान लो जस्ट एक मैं एक लेम एग्जांपल दे रहा हूं. ठीक है. तो मान लो कि अर्थ पे एक हाउस है, तो यू विल से दैट कि अर्थ इज द ग्लोबल स्कोप एंड व्हाटएवर इज इनसाइड द हाउस इज द लोकल स्कोप. सो अब मान लो कि यहां से तुमसे कोई पूछता है, लेट्स से कि उस घर के अंदर में एक एक्स नाम का आदमी है. A person named as X lives inside the house which is existing on the earth. So when the earth is existing, you might say ki, okay, on this earth, this house is existing. You might say ki there is a person named as X in this house, but not in this outside this house. So जब तुम लाइन नंबर 4 पे हो तो ये चीज ही एग्जिस्ट नहीं कर रहा है. हाउस इटसेल्फ इज नॉट एग्जिस्टिंग, सो देयर इज नो चांस ऑफ एनी एक्स एग्जिस्टिंग इनसाइड द हाउस. ठीक है. फिर अगेन व्हेन यू रीच एट लाइन नंबर 5, सपोज लाइन नंबर 4 इज नॉट देयर. ठीक है. मान लेते हैं ये प्रिंट वाला लाइन नहीं है एंड प्रोग्राम डायरेक्टली कम्स टू एबीसी वाला लाइन. तो नाउ द फंक्शन विल कम इनटू एग्जिस्टेंस. When the function comes into existence, its statement associated with it will start executing. That means house comes into picture. ठीक है. अपने आप एक हाउस प्रकट हो जाता है, comes into existence, appears on the surface of the earth, and then people get inside, people get come into existence inside it. जिसका नाम x है, उसका मान लो वैल्यू 5 है, हाइट 5 है, कुछ भी मान लो. ठीक है. Then from inside the house, if you say कि who is x, ठीक है, one member can access another member, ठीक है, in the local scope. But by the time when you are done executing all the statements of the function, you will again, when as soon as the last line of the function is executed, you will again come back to the line number 5 from the point where it was called. So remember, as soon as the function gets executed, okay, last statement of the function gets executed, control again comes back to the line where it was called and then proceeds to the next line. Okay. So when line number 5 starts executing, you call the function, it comes into picture, x comes into existence, okay, inside the local scope of the function. Okay. And then whenever you try to access from inside the local scope, you will always access the variables defined inside the local scope. You will be able to access. But as soon as the last statement is executed, it will come back to the point where it was called. This will get destroyed. Nothing will be left as if there was no function. And then you will go to line number 6 and you will say print x. ठीक है. तो x तो कुछ है ही नहीं, outside world में कभी था नहीं और inside world में भी था, तो वो that world also got destroyed. So x is nowhere to be found. ठीक है. So always remember from there are two things to remember here what I have said. A function is only existing when it is or you can say during its execution the function is existing. Before it and after it, it ceases to exist, that is it is no more there. So if you try to access any variable which was defined inside the function after it was executing or before it was executing, okay, you will see that our error is thrown कि there is no such member or no such entity as x defined. ठीक है. तो इसीलिए इसको इस शॉर्ट में ये याद रख सकते हो कि a function, sorry, whatever is defined inside the function, that is in the local scope of the function, cannot be accessed from outside the function, that is the global scope. And function cannot be a function is not into existence before it is called and after it is called. ठीक है, ये दो पॉइंट याद रखना. ये दो पॉइंट याद रहेगा तो you will never have problem with the functions. So are those 2 points clear? मैं लिख देता हूं. So in short, first point, ठीक है, before and after function call, function does not exist. Local variables, that is functions variables defined inside the function. Okay, local variables can't be accessed from global scope. Clear? ये दो चीज समझ में आया है? बताओ आगे बढ़ेंगे. Here तो it will throw error. This is also error. Why these 2 points are error? Because of the first point. Okay. So if you have understood these two things, let me know, I'll proceed. प्रियंका, अजय, कीर्तना, अनंत, बताइए आप लोग.
Understood, sir.
Very good. हाँ, it's better because your text comes after ages. So सदियों बाद पहुंचता है, तो it's better you tell me. Good. Right. तो चलो ठीक है. We'll proceed. Now one more thing. What will happen if we try to access a global variable? A global variable means what? Variable defined outside the function. From the local scope of the function. Global variable means defined outside function block. And from local scope means from inside the function. For example, what will be the output of the program? Will there be error? It will execute without giving any output. It will execute with giving by giving some output. Okay, प्रशांत को लगता है कि 5 और 5 आएगा. What about others? 5 and 5 सौरव को भी लग रहा. ठीक है. So in such a case, if देखो एक रूल याद रखो. I'll mention one rule. Remember, when you try to access any variable from local scope of the function, when you try to access any variable from the local scope of the function, it first searches for definition in the local scope and if existing uses it. Else it searches in the global scope and if found there, then uses it if variable definition is not found in either of the scopes, either the local or global scope, then error is thrown. Okay, so इस केस में क्या होगा? Line number 1, if you execute, will anything happen as a execution of line number 1? Yes. A variable, a memory block will be reserved, will be named as x, having value 5, and where will this variable be created? This x will be existing in global scope. Okay. Then this is a function definition. Function definition. So nothing happens. Nothing happens here. Okay. Now, what about this line? When it comes to this line, print x, it searches for, now you are trying to access x from the global scope. We know that at this time, x in the global scope, you are trying to access x from the global scope. In the global scope, is x existing? Yes. Only thing existing as of now is one variable x in the global scope. So the value will be 5. So output will be first output 1 will be 5. This will be printed from global scope. Okay. Then you go to this line, ABC. ABC is called. The moment it is called, the function will come into existence and it will go inside and it will print X. Now you are trying to access X here. यहाँ पे X को use करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. We are trying to use X here. Now see this rule. When you try to access any variable from local scope, now during the execution, अभी तो ये execute हो रहा है यहाँ पे. You called it, it went inside. Now it is trying to access X from the local scope of the function. So when you are trying to access any variable from local scope of the function, it first searches for definition in the local scope. तो पहले ये अपने घर के अंदर देखेगा. It will search inside the local scope only. Is there any function definition? Is there any variable defined as X inside the house or inside this local scope or the body of this function ABC? It will not find anything. Okay. Searches in the local, and if existing uses it, तो exist तो कर नहीं रहा है. Else it searches in the global scope. अगर इसको अपने घर के अंदर नहीं मिलता है, if it does not find it inside its own house or inside the own block of the function during the execution of the function, it will then peep outside. Well, then it will open the windows and will try to have a look in the outside world. Is there somebody known as X in the outside world in the global scope? So it searches in the global scope and if found then uses it. तो पहले अपने घर में ढूंढेगा. In the house it has not found, then it will look outside. So if outside it looked and then it found. Okay, so then it will use that value which is there in the outside world, that is in the global scope. So again, output 2 will be printed 5. It will be printed, but the printing will be done from where? ये तुमको आउटपुट पे नहीं दिखेगा कंसोल पे. For the sake of understanding, I am writing this 5. Second 5 is printed from local scope of the function ABC. ठीक है. The moment this work is done, that this is the first and the last statement of the body of the function definition, it will come back again to the, after getting destroyed, it will come back to the point where it was called ABC. Then it will go to the next line. There is no further line or statement to execute. Program terminates. ये बताओ, ये concept समझ में आया या नहीं आया? कि what will happen if there is a variable which you are trying to access inside the body of the function during the execution of the function, and in that body there is no variable existing which you are trying to access, but it is existing in the global scope that is outside the body of the function, in which case it will use that with the rule given below. Is this concept जितना भी समझाया है 5 minutes में, is it clear or not? ये बताइए मुझे. Then we'll see one last example, one more type for today. Okay, good. Chalo, excellent. Ajay has not joined today. स्कूल आता है क्या प्रैक्टिकल के लिए? वो हाँ, लास्ट डे तो देखा था शायद मैं, यार यहाँ तक याद आ रहा है मैं. ओके, ठीक है. अच्छा, आज भी आया था. गुड. चलो, what will happen now? Next case is, what will happen if when you try to access a variable from the local scope of the function during the execution of the function, local scope of the function during the execution of the function, where variable with the same identifier, that means variable with the same name, is existing or is defined in both the local and global scopes. Example, what I mean to say here is, ये देखो, हाँ ठीक है, print text, चलो, this is the last type for today. तो ये बताओ कि what do you think will happen in this case? Just make a guess. Of course, I'll explain. Don't worry if you get wrong. Okay, Saurav believes answer will be 5, 3, 5. Of course, on different lines. He means, I guess. One of the outputs I am getting as 5, 3, 5. Okay. Anyone else? Three, 5, 3. 3, 5, 3. Okay. Five, 3, 5. Anand is not responsive today. What सो गया है वो? Okay, चलो ठीक है. Let us explore. So देखो होगा क्या? I'll dry run it. When the program starts executing, it will start execution from, मान लो ये line number 1 है, 2 है, 3 in your Python script. This is 4, this is 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, when line number 1 is being executed, क्योंकि sequentially execute होगा starting from top to bottom, your Python script will start getting executed. So Python will execute line number first, as a result of which a memory location will be reserved, will be labeled as X or identified by X, having the value 5 inside it, and this assignment and declaration of variable will take place in the global scope, because it is not, this statement is not within any function. Now next, 2, 3, 4 and 5, यहां से यहां तक 2, 3, 4 and 5, these set of lines Python does not operate and अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है. Now she Kirtana believes it is 535. चलो ठीक है, देखते हैं. Python does not operate and simply passes and simply moves down. ठीक है, बहुत लेमन लैंग्वेज में लिखा है, you can make some sensible statement here. So that what means is कि being function definition, it won't get called automatically because definition is just like you are giving some idea. The idea will be actually implemented when you call it. Okay, so Python will simply scroll down these lines, checking कि यार चलो syntax में there is no errors. It will come to line number 6. When it comes to line number 6, tell me, is the function ABC existing at the moment when line number 6 is being executed? जब line number 6 execute हो रहा है, तो is there any function ABC executing or into existence? No, correct. Why? Because we know the function will only be in execution so long as you can say it is executing its statement. Okay, when it is called, from that moment till the last statement of the block of the function is executed. तो लाइन नंबर 6 तक तो अभी तक फंक्शन कॉल नहीं हुआ है. ऑफ कोर्स इट हैज बीन डिफाइंड, बट डिफाइनिंग द फंक्शन डज नॉट ब्रिंग इनटू एग्जिस्टेंस. व्हेन यू कॉल इट, इट विल कम इनटू एग्जिस्टेंस. दैट मींस व्हेन यू मैच द सिग्नेचर. सो अभी तो कॉलिंग का प्रोसेस अभी हुआ ही नहीं है कहीं. So no chance of function being into existence. Now you are trying to access x variable from global scope. So it will always look into global scope. Okay, जब x ग्लोबल स्कोप से कोई चीज एक्सेस करते हो तो वो हरदम ग्लोबल स्कोप में ही ढूंढेगा, क्योंकि लोकल स्कोप तो वैसे भी नहीं है इस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम पे. ओके, फ्रॉम ग्लोबल स्कोप it will use x defined in line number 1, which is of course in global scope, which is defined in ग्लोबल स्कोप. ठीक है, क्योंकि जब कोई वेरिएबल को हम लोग ग्लोबल स्कोप से एक्सेस करते हैं तो एनीवेज when function is normal statement is being executed, so there is no chance of in the global scope, then there is no chance of any function being into existence. So when any statement or anything is happening in the global scope, at that moment no function will be there executing, because function is only executing so long it is as during the period it is called from the point of calling till the last line of the body getting executed. तो जब लाइन नंबर 6 पे हो तो कोई फंक्शन कॉल हुआ नहीं है, और जब तक कोई फंक्शन कॉल हुआ नहीं है वो एग्जिस्टेंस में नहीं है. सो व्हाट विल हैपन इज, फर्स्ट आउटपुट विल बी output 1 will be printing 5, because x you have used in global scope, there is no other scope, and only in global scope there is only one x, which is 5. So it will use that value. So this will be printed from global scope. Output number 2, अब देखते हैं. Next, when now it is done printing, it will go to line number 7. Now here you have matched the function signature by calling its name, and again no parameter it accepts, so no value it accepts in the parameter, so no value you are passing. Okay, so here you have matched the function signature, function gets invoked and called, then the statements associated with this name will start executing one by one. Now at this time local scope comes into existence. Scope comes into existence. ठीक है, एक अलग सा वर्ल्ड बन जाएगा. लेट्स से लोकल स्कोप इज लाइक दिस. ओके, where in this local scope of ABC, x you have defined is equals to 3. Okay, this is in the local scope. Okay, now you are printing x. So you are telling to display x. Which x will be used now? Now you are here, this is the condition. When you try to access a variable from the local scope of the function during the execution of the function. Now when you are at this line print x, the function is into existence. Local scope is there. So during the execution of the function, now you are trying to access x. At this moment, the function is also there, outside world is also there, and this local world is also there. So we have seen the rule. When you try to access any variable from the local scope of the function, it first searches for the definition in the local scope. पहले वो अपने घर में देखेगा, घर में उसे x कोई मिल गया तो it will use that value. If it does not find anything in the local scope, then only it will go and peep outside. But here if you see, you say x. So there is one x here also and outside also. But first it searches in the house only or in its own world only. So in the own world also there is x. So first it will get x. So second output that will be printed will be 3. This will be printed from local scope. Okay. The moment it prints x, उसके बाद next line पे जाएगा and x will be modified to 4 in the local scope only. Once this line is executed, this is the last line of the function. So what will happen is this function will then this function gets destroyed, will again come back to this line, ठीक है, and again come back to this line after getting destroyed. After getting destroyed, it will come back to this line. Okay, and then you are again coming to line number 8. Okay, पहले इसको कॉल किया, फंक्शन वर्ल्ड एग्जिस्टेंस में आया, वो it did whatever it had to do, then it gets destroyed after last statement. Okay, and then it returns back to the point from where it was called, and then it will go to line number 8 because the processing of this line number 7 has been done completely. Then it will go to line number 8 where you are telling now to print x. Now tell me, here you are telling to access x again. How many types of x are existing when you are at line number 8? Last question. How many x's are existing when at line number 8? Prashant believes only one. Achha. Anyone else? अरे इंग्लिश क्लास है तुम लोगों का अभी. ओके, 2. सौरभ 2 कैसे होगा? चलो, I'll conclude the discussion. प्रियंका believes 3. Okay. देखो, I'll tell you only one thing. प्रियंका, कभी भी एक नाम का एक ही वेरिएबल बनेगा एक स्कोप में. ओके, सो आइदर आंसर कुड हैव बीन 1 और 2. 3 तो नहीं होगा. रीजन इज कि एक तो x बना ग्लोबल स्कोप में, सेकेंड x इज क्रिएटेड इन द लोकल स्कोप विच इज मॉडिफाइड लेटर, बट वो एक ही वेरिएबल है, आइडेंटिफायर एक ही है. ठीक है, x इक्वल्स टू 5 लिखते हैं और उसके बाद x इक्वल्स टू 6 लिख देते हैं. इफ यू राइट इन द नेक्स्ट लाइन x इक्वल्स टू 6, ये दो x नहीं बनता है. x इज ओनली 1. ठीक है, ओनली इज दैट कि एट वन टाइम ओनली वन x विल बी एग्जिस्टिंग. ठीक है, सो here x was associated with 3, next time x got associated with 4, so only one x is existing. ठीक है, so in that case क्या होगा, जब तुम लाइन नंबर 8 पे हो, we know that we had seen in previous slides कि a function मतलब क्या होगा, before and after function call function does not exist. तो यहां पे लाइन नंबर 8 में क्या ये फंक्शन एग्जिस्ट करेगा? नहीं, पहले डिस्ट्रॉय हुआ तब ना यहां आया। तो व्हेन दिस गॉट डिस्ट्रॉयड अलोंग विथ इट, its own x which was destroyed, which was declared as 3 and modified to 4 earlier, that is the single x in the local scope, also got destroyed. ठीक है? So जब तुम लाइन नंबर 8 पे आए तो ये कुछ है ही नहीं, ओनली वन एक्स इज एग्जिस्टिंग एंड दैट इज द ग्लोबल स्कोप. इसको किसी ने टच नहीं किया, nobody has touched this one. Okay, the only question or possibility was of this x which was earlier defined something else and later modified to something else, though it was only one x which was there in the local scope, but it is also not existing. Why? Because as soon as the function execution was done and you move to line number 8, before that only it got destroyed. This entire world got destroyed with its content. Okay, so by the time you reach in line number 8 or when you are at line number 6, only one type of x is existing, that is in the global scope. So remember, yaad rakho ki before and after the function calling, the function does not exist. जो ग्लोबल स्कोप में है वही रहेगा, लोकल स्कोप एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करेगा. सो ओनली एट लाइन नंबर 6 ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम द लाइन नंबर 7 इज एग्जिस्टिंग, सॉरी एग्जीक्यूटिंग, ओनली ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम दिस वर्ल्ड विल बी देयर. उसके पहले और उसके बाद में वो वर्ल्ड नहीं रहेगा एंड नीदर विल इट्स कंटेंट. ओके, सो सॉल्यूशन इज ओनली 1x in ग्लोबल स्कोप. ये कंसेप्ट समझ में आया? Because the moment you reach line number 8, before that only this scope got destroyed, और line number 6 में तो वो फंक्शन ही नहीं आया था, कॉल ही नहीं हुआ था. सौरभ, जब लाइन नंबर 8 पे है ना, तो वो लोकल स्कोप है ही नहीं, वो तो वो अपने घर के साथ लेके चला गया उसके कंटेंट को. प्रियंका, ये समझ में आया कि why not 1 2 or why not 2 and 3 and why only 1? ओके, सो ये बताओ, ये सबको क्लियर है? सो फाइनली थर्ड आउटपुट विल बी, output 3 will be 5 again printed from. Kirtana, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Very good. ठीक है, others also, Vishnupriya, Akhila, तुम लोग भी बता दो, then we can conclude today's class. Okay.